In the quiet of the night, when the world feels cold, questions in my heart, truths left untold. I was searching for a light in the dark I'd been in, carrying the weight of my doubt and my sin. And I heard a promise, ancient and true, whisper through the ages, calling me through. For God so loved the world, He gave His only Son, so whoever believes won't be lost but will live on. Grace poured out freely, written in love's ink, hope for the broken, closer than we think. This is mercy's story, this is heaven's plan, love spelled out clearly, John 3:16. Not a love that fades when I fall apart, not a deal I earn with a perfect heart. From a rugged cross to an empty grave, every chain was broken, every soul could be saved. No shadow too deep, no night too long, His love keeps singing a redemption song. For God so loved the world, He gave His only Son, so whoever believes won't be lost but will live on. Grace poured out freely, written in love's ink, hope for the broken, closer than we think. This is mercy's story, this is heaven's plan, love spelled out clearly, John 3:16. Open arms, open door, come as you are, you're welcome here. Fear has no final word, perfect love is casting it out. For God so loved the world, He gave His only Son, so whoever believes won't be lost but will live on. For God so loved the world, He gave His only Son, so whoever believes won't be lost but will live on. Now I stand forgiven, now I understand, eternal life is found in His hands. This is mercy's story, this is heaven's plan, love forever written, John 3:16. Love that never lets me go.